Okay, so I'm just tying a piece on with one tie like that. So I am not doing like a necktie, which a lot of people do when they make this kind of garland. And I'm going to show you that as an example. And remember, when we put these in order, they need to be green, white, blue, checkered, red, black, yellow. But some people make their garland, and you can do it this way. It's totally up to you. But some people take half, and this is the loop right here. And they take that loop over, and then they pull the two strings through so that it hangs straight down. See how that looks like a necktie right there? I'm gonna move you closer. Necktie versus just a little tie. I don't do it that way. I do it this way. I like the perfectly imperfect and whimsical kind of flair of the regular just knot. And I like how it gives some of the length, like different lengths. So it's not all perfectly symmetrical or perfectly even all the way down. So I just put it over, boom, tie. So there's the green, white. Next is blue. You guys should know the order of the flags, and they always go in the same order. There's the blue, slide that over. Checkered comes next. Checkered. And I just have this string. I like to do this at home. I do it at my studio too, but if I do it at home, I have it tied on a bar chair and then on a rocking chair on the other side of the room. So I have my string stretched across the room so that I can just go from one to the next. And I also cheat. I have a little mechanics rolling bench, or rolling stool, so I can roll down the floor. So there's the red, and black comes next. They're kind of stuck together because I've used my rotary cutter to cut all of these. Red, black, and then yellow is next. And then I'm just gonna keep going in order. So green, white, blue, checkered, red, black, yellow. These are stuck together. Like so. And so it's gonna make this really amazing garland. I'm gonna show you once I get a big section finished so you can see what it looks like. But I kind of like the fact that it doesn't all hang at the same length, and it's a little bit whimsical. If you want to cut it and make sure that all of them are even, perfectly up to you. Everybody's brain is different, and some people like symmetry, some people don't. So that gets us started. So there you go. Okay, so when you order 15 inches or one piece of garland, that's about this right here. And as you can see, there are a few pieces that are a little bit longer. It depends on the width of the bolt of fabric as I pre-cut it. So what I would recommend, first of all, I really like the whimsy of not all of the pieces being the same length, but if you are particular and you want all of them the same length, then I would take scissors and I would like cut across the ends and make them all even once you get it hung up. Also, if you order multiple sections, how I'm gonna send it to you is with the number of pieces that you need to make one 15-inch section. So that's gonna be 5 of each color. So that's what this is. And so this particular order, they want 10 sections. And so I'm gonna make it all on one big long string, and then I'll cut it. But I'm also gonna cut it so that, let's say I cut it right here, and they have both of those long ends of rope on either end, then they can take this and they can spread it out. It doesn't have to be as dense. They can spread the pieces of fabric out a little bit to give them more color. Or you can scrunch it up and make it a little more dense too. So it gives you a couple of options. So when you order the Take and Make garland, it's going to be I say by the foot, but it's technically 15 inches. So by the section of 15 inches, which is what this is right here. And you're going to get enough rope and you're going to get enough fabric to tie off as many 15-inch sections as you order. And then when you make it and tie it on, then you can trim it as you like. You can hang it as you like. Again, I give you a little bit of extra rope at the ends so that if you want to spread it out, you can. And that is what you get.